welcome back to my channel, and if you are brand new, welcome. So today what we are going to be doing is making our lips look fuller and bigger than they actually are without any sort of lip sucking weird products or anything. It's literally just going to be used with makeup. So what I like to do is I like to take a lip liner, and I like it to be a tad darker, or like just a little, almost like unknowingly darker, just like very tiny than your actual lipstick. And I'm going to be using a red color. So this is Kylie Cosmetics in the color Beau. And then I'm going to be outlining my lips. So what is really important when you're doing this is you want to overline the Cupid's bow just a little bit. The only part that you're really keeping real to your real lips is the line over here, okay? Because you don't want to overline it and just kind of look like you have clown lips. So you want to overline it in particular areas. So I'm going to go right over here by the bow. Okay, so looks like I have a little mustache going on here now. So as you can see, let me go a little closer. I overlined it a little bit more than my actual lips. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this line and we're gonna still be a little out and go closer and closer until we meet the inside of it. Okay, so you see how it curves like that, and I don't have like some big drawn on side lip. So we're gonna do the same thing to this side. Okay, and so here's a close-up. Okay. Just wanted to go over it one more time. So now we're gonna do the bottom lip. So it's gonna be very similar. We're gonna overline this just a little bit bigger than our normal lip, and we're gonna match the side. Now it's gonna go overline, 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 match up. We're gonna do that on both sides. So here's the overline, and now we're gonna match it up. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I always like to fill in my lips with the pencil, just because if, you know, your lip starts to get dry throughout the night or the day, if you have the lip liner on, it really kind of seals the color in anyway. So I'm gonna keep on coloring it in with this. All right, so this is overlined. As you can see, my lips look way better, or way bigger than they are normally. I'm gonna come in a little close. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't look fake, but I did this all with lipstick, with makeup. Didn't have to use anything else. So now, to add even a more popped effect, we're gonna go in with the lipstick. Although I could probably rock this all day and not worry about lipstick. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and fill this in with a red lip. This is Exotic Vixen Cosmetics in the shade Love Bite. And this is a matte lip, and it's so creamy, and it's really red. Now I put this directly under the lip liner, so that way the different shade kind of pops through and it gives that big effect. So this is close up. And this is how you do a bigger, fuller lip without any cosmetic surgery and without any crazy tools, just with your makeup. If you guys liked this video, please click like, please subscribe to my channel, and feel free to hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, or send me a comment. I love talking to you guys. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.